Here's the truth. You don't need more time to live. You need more life in your time. This is Luca, 28, hands scarred, soul alight, forging steel in a Naples ruin. Life didn't hand him a blueprint, it handed him ashes. Once he was a dreamer, sketching bridges in notebooks, whispering to the stars. But dreams don't dodge bullets. Luca learned that the hard way, when the world burned down around him, testing not just his strength, but his will to build something from nothing. At 18, Luca was Naples' quiet genius, blueprints for bridges that could have stitched his city together. His dad, a welder, grinned at every sketch, saying, "Build us proud, Figlio." Then, a factory blast. Flames swallowed his dad, his home, his future. Ever lose everything in a heartbeat, wondering why you're still here? Luca did. 21, orphaned, he wandered, jobless, sketching on scraps, sleeping in alleys. Friends faded, rain soaked his drawings. He'd stare at the ashes of that factory, fists clenched, asking, "What's left to build?" The world screamed, "Nothing!" But a whisper inside him roared back. That whisper won. One night, Luca dragged rusted steel from the factory rubble, his dad's old haunt, and started hammering. No plan, just pain. Ever feel so broken you'd rather fight than fall? He did. Sparks flew, hands bled, each weld a scream against fate. He built a jagged chair, then a table, crude but alive. Neighbors called him mad. He called it survival. Months turned brutal. Hunger, cold, doubt clawing at him. But every piece he forged, lamps, sculptures, lit something inside. He'd mutter, "Can I still create?" The answer came in steel. Yes. He sold a lamp, then 10. A spark grew, a fire no storm could douse. Luca didn't stop. He built, dawn to dusk, tables into bridges, scraps into stories. His shed became a workshop. His name buzzed through Naples. A viral clip, the Ash Builder, spread. A man forging beauty from ruin. Galleries called Paris, Sydney, New York. Last year, he unveiled a steel bridge in his dad's memory. Curved, defiant, glowing under Naples' sun. Crowds cheered. He cried, "You don't need more time to live. You need more life in your time." Luca turned ashes into a legacy, not by running from the storm, but by building through it. He proved joy isn't found, it's made. Luca's no hero. He's you, me, anyone who's fallen and forged on. He danced with despair, wrestled ruin, and built joy from ashes. That's the message. You don't need more time to live. You need more life in your time. It's not about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about crafting something fierce and beautiful in its teeth. Luca's bridge stands because he dared to build when the world said crumble. What's your ash pile? What could you make from it? You don't need more time to live. You need more life in your time. So what's your storm? What's one thing you could build today to ignite your spark? Subscribe for more stories that echo your fire.